Okay, today we are going to identify which wire is hot, neutral, and ground on a power cord. Safety first, remember to turn off the power or unplug the device before performing any electrical work. So maybe you have an appliance cord you need to replace or a power tool cord that you need to replace, and the new cord doesn't clearly show you which wire is neutral, hot, or ground. We all know the green wire is a ground wire. Here in the United States, usually a black wire is your hot and your white wire is a neutral wire. However, like this, if they're all the same color, except the ground wire is of course green, or in this case, you can see we have a brown wire, a blue wire, and a green striped wire. Which ones are neutral? Which ones are hot? The green wire obviously is our ground. So how do you determine which ones are neutral and hot? Well, get yourself a multimeter like this, set it to continuity, check the meter first. By touching the two leads together, it should beep and give you a reading. If it says OL, then there might be something wrong with your leads. So our meter's good, our leads are good. Now what you want to do is take one of your meter leads and put it on one of the prongs on the plug, and then take the other meter lead and touch each of your three wires and see when you get a reading. So you can see right here we're getting a reading. Try to give you a better angle. So I'm going to put one of my meter leads on the blue wire. And there we got a reading. So that's our neutral. Let's see, I got nothing on the other prong and nothing on that round ground prong. If I go to my green ground wire, nothing on these two prongs. But I am getting a reading on the ground. That's my ground wire. So again, for the blue wire, blue wires are neutral, and the brown wire is going to be our hot. So you have a reading. You say, well, how do you determine which prong is neutral and which one's hot? Let me show you. So on a regular wall outlet like this, I'm not going to plug it in. The short slot is always your hot, and the taller slot is your neutral. And I labeled it with a Sharpie so you can see that. That's how you know which prong on your cord is neutral and which one is hot. And of course, your ground is that round one in the middle. I hope this information helps you. And some cords will actually tell you what their voltage rating and ampacity rating is. Not all, but sometimes. And if you'd like to learn more, a practical facilities maintenance handbook is available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as electrical training material and common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant decals for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can procure these products. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.